Well, welcome back to another edition of Car Fun Presents, and today we're going to talk some more about this beautiful 1997 Ferrari 456 GTA. Just did a full paint correction on it and came out really quite amazing. You can actually see yourself in this, which is fantastic. Today we're going to talk about replacing a switch. So there are a series of switches right above the shifter, right in the middle here. And so I got a replacement switch because I believe that one of these switches is bad. I actually replaced the trunk switch. When I first got this car, I couldn't open the trunk with the switch. And it turns out the switch to the trunk actually went bad. So I replaced that. And today I'm actually going to try replacing the suspension switch because I have a feeling that this may be bad. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a trim removal tool, a little plastic trim removal tool. And really the trick to these cars is you have to be gentle. So we're going to try to go, let's see here, easier said than done. Yep, we're going to go underneath, see how it's lifting up, just like that. And then let's see, get it to pop out. Well, let's take a look at the new switch here. Let's see, trying to do this one-handed, so bear with me. Okay, so let's take a look at the new switch here. So you see the new switch here, and there's these little tabs on top and on bottom that hold it in. So it looks like we released the bottom one. Let's see if we can't get the top one to release. Aha, got it. Okay, it comes right out, just like that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to unplug this from it. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. I may have to put the phone down for this one. All right, let me put the phone down. Come right back to you guys. Okay, so I'm back. So I was able to get it released. So it'll look like that. And again, pretty hard to mess this up. You see the configuration, there's only one way on this. So let's grab our new switch here. And let's see if we can plug this in. Okay. Just want to make sure. Yep. Heard the snap. That's how you know it's in. Plus you can see it's all the way in here. Okay. Fantastic. We're going to push that back into place and it's seated. And that is how you replace a switch on a 456. And again, the rest of these switches here, it's all the same. It's all the same setup with them. So hopefully that's helpful. And like I said, if you guys have any questions or anything like that, leave a comment down below and try to answer them. Have a good one.